Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Nautique G25. So, boat's 25 foot in length, absolutely gorgeous here with the steel blue metal flake. We have the Mystic White and then the jet black hull bottom. So this is a really gorgeous boat, especially when you get this out in the sun. It really pops right here. All right, so welcome inside. We're going to start here on the transom, then make our way into the boat. Right off the bat here, we do have a insulated cooler. Also a remote right here to adjust all the volume when you're sitting back here and hanging out. We have seats on either side with cup holders, so a great spot when you're anchored out and just hanging out with your friends and family. Underneath here, we do have compartments. It's going to fit all your gear, any size boards down there, so it's a ton of space. And then walking into the boat here, you can see I've got a couple steps, nice entryway inside. So you're not stepping on all your upholstery. Walking inside, we have the haze gray upholstery, which really ties in to the tower and the exterior of the boat, and then the brown non-skid. Right here, we have our seat that does fold back. So when you're hanging out, sitting back, you can watch what's going on behind the boat. Tons of storage underneath all these seats right here. And what I really like what Nautique does is all the cushions come up on hinges, and then there's the non-skid underneath. And then making our way into the boat here, we do have our tower that folds down backwards, and then the bimini top does lay flat. We have our strapless board racks that do swivel and adjust, and they'll fit any size board. Got our JL audio sound system on here, really good sound quality. We've got 2 speakers up here. This boat's heavily loaded. We do have our lighting package on here, so it's gonna light up your cup holders in pretty much every color on the spectrum. And at the helm, race car inspired seat. We do have our tilt steering wheel, and then our link pan array up here, so that's gonna be all of your navigation, changing out your lights, shifting all your ballast. It's a very intuitive design right here. And then ergonomically, when we're sitting here at the windshield, everything's a low profile, so you have great visibility. Got another recessed glove box over here on the side, and also a spot to adjust the music. And then again, tons of storage. Right now we have the cover down there, which is towable down the road. And then making our way into the bow. This is going to be optioned with a bow filler cushion up here so that you can sit up here in a full sun pad. You have armrests, seating on either side. This boat's fully loaded up. It's located here in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.